So regulatory practices have to evolve. All I can say is that our regulators are in a process of evolution, and the closer they come to our social idiosyncrasies, the more successful and the more effective they will get.
Is this what अगर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी आपके expectations भी हैं from the regulator?
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
Because ये भी पहले भी सुना गया है कि अगर पाकिस्तान में अगर मॉडल्स या फिर रेगुलेशंस कॉपी किए जाते हैं तो वो इतना ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहते क्योंकि पैरामीटर्स पाकिस्तान के थोड़े से डिफरेंट हैं, जैसे कि आपने भी फरमाया. बट देयर हैज़ टू बी सम अदर वे ऑल्सो. पैरामीटर्स के साथ देखते हुए डिज़ाइन किया जाए तो वहाँ पर ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड आता है, मिस्टेक्स भी होती हैं, फिर उसको इम्प्रूवमेंट की जाती है और टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है. इसमें जो नुकसान ज़्यादा है कि यहाँ पर मासूम लोग या मासूम इन्वेस्टर्स, अगर इफ आई वुड से दैट, वो थोड़े से ज़रा फंस जाते हैं इस पूरे क्राइसिस में. व्हाट वुड यू से ऑन दैट?
थोड़े से नहीं फंसते, वो खासे फंस जाते हैं, क्योंकि जो लर्निंग कर्व है किसी भी इंडिविजुअल का या इदारे का, इट हैज़ अ कॉस्ट. इट्स नॉट विदाउट अ कॉस्ट. What we are seeing in Pakistan happen is that that cost is being borne by people who are not guilty. Who are not guilty in the sense that they are not participating in the institution or the activity. They are not decision makers. They're just towing a line. So when you see a company being advertised, that all right, here is a company that is going to produce television sets, maybe. I, as an investor, my professional skills may be that of a cobbler, of a blacksmith, of anything, you know. I mean, I'm just somebody from the road. I'll take out my savings and say, all right, I like the design of this television. I like the face of the guy sitting on the television. So I'll go invest my 2,000 rupees which I've saved. And I get I lose my money because the guys, I mean, who are putting this whole thing up are indulging in an evolutionary process where they'll go through that learning curve and probably become successful 5 years down the road. But in those 5 years, somebody else gets washed off.
इसी के साथ आप समझते हैं कि पाकिस्तान में जो कुछ मिसिंग है अगर कंपेयर करते हैं दूसरे ममालिक से, और ख़ास तौर के अगर मैं कॉर्पोरेट लॉज के ऊपर बात करूं आपसे, वुड यू लाइक टू सी अ मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर effective corporate laws to be implemented in our courts? Along with that is the regulators, along with that सबको पता होना चाहिए कि ये एक corporate law है, इसको follow करना है.
I am all for the promulgation of legislation which is freedom oriented. The philosophy of any law making is based on a popular consensus. When you go and address a country, a social environment, an economic environment on the basis of a law which you've heard has been enacted somewhere in the West, has been enacted somewhere in the East, you are committing a crime. And you're committing a crime because that law has been based or has been enacted somewhere else based on a certain philosophy of need that social environment had. You don't have that need. So you must have your own research and development. You must allow your normal evolutionary process to remain invoked perpetually, so that the destination which is defined, the economic destination which is defined, is achievable. There is a clear roadmap to it.
Okay.
What I see absent right now in Pakistan is the definition of our economic destination and the roadmap to it. Therefore, whether you pick up a regulator, you say SECP, you say State Bank of Pakistan, You might say the Ministry of Commerce, the Ministry of Industries, the Ministry of Production,
Ministry of Finance also.
Ministry of Finance. I mean, there is no synchronized, concerted effort to move to one destination which has been predefined. That destination is absent. So as long as that destination remains absent, you will be like a rudderless ship. Everybody running every which way without achieving any objective. And this is extremely dangerous for an independent country, because if you do not have your economic agenda, you will remain not a third world country forever, but you will remain an enslaved pocket of population.
This is what you also see currently in Pakistan's economy?
Pakistan's economy, you see, again, I do not wish to be judgmental about what a set of people in the present government are doing, what a set of people in the past governments have done. It's not my business, it's not my place to be judgmental about it.
Okay.
I can only tell you what ought to be done on the basis of what has been done in developed economies in the history of man. There are 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital, enterprise.
Basic equation.
Right? Let's take the basics. Land in Pakistan. In Karachi alone, there are over 11 different types of titles to lands. Until today, we have not been able to inventorize, endangerize, and lease out land to our people. Land reforms. Take labor.
Before you go to labor, but agriculture, lands के ऊपर जैसे आप बात करें reforms, you feel कि ये भी one of the main reasons है जिसकी वजह से
Oh, most certainly.
documentation और agriculture tax नहीं implement हो पा रहा?
Agricultural tax, देखिए, my biggest call, and I will take this opportunity of being on air with you today, my biggest call is that please revert to your ideology. Islam has, you are an Islamic republic. Islam has given you an economic doctrine. Please invoke it. What is that economic doctrine? When it comes to land, there is no landlordism. He is the only landlord.
True.
So the land has to be leased from the state to the people. Where is a common playing field starting from K2 mountains down to
Karachi,
the Arabian Sea? No. There are cantonments, there are railways, there are ports, there are God damn well, I don't know how many authorities dishing out their own papers saying this land belongs to me, while all land belongs to him in the Islamic Republic.
बाहर भी तो होता है ये कि land papers lease तो
होता है, मगर एक डॉक्यूमेंट है which is common all over. There is a complete mafia within a mafia when it comes to land management in Pakistan. Are the laws for land acquisition and sale common in Sindh as they are in Punjab? No. Are they common in Punjab and in Frontier Province? No. Why can't we address the basics? Let's get our house in order. Let there be standard laws. And if you take land revenue alone for every inch of land which is being leased out to the people, you do not need to tax them for anything else. Nothing.
मैं छोटा सा ब्रेक लेना चाहूँगा आगा साहब, इसके बाद वापस आके और ज़रा इकोनॉमी के ऊपर बात करेंगे। शाहनवाज आगा साहब, चेयरमैन एंड CEO बीमा पाकिस्तान लिमिटेड। आप देखते रहिए पावर लंच।